Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Syekh Fajar Hayu. I'm from Eden Boarding School and now I'm uh, I'm in XC class. So in this video, uh, I will make a tutorial because I have some project. The name is hand gesture. So my task in this project is for explain what is hand gesture, and I will make a tutorial about how to make hand gesture by step. And in the last one, I will give the demo video and the results in this hand gesture. So what is hand gesture? Hand gesture is project in IT, is IoT project that you you have to move the tiny bit robot using your hands with 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 the gesture. So later I will explain to you how to setting the gesture with your hand, and how to make a code in make code make what in make code, okay, and how to move it the robot is tiny bit, how to move tiny bit robot with your gesture. Okay, maybe only that the my explaining for what is hand gesture. Hmm. Yeah, the simple is, yeah, the hand gesture is the robot, you move the tiny bit robot with your hand, with your gesture that you already set. Okay. Okay, after this I will explain step one by one, how to setting your gesture first. Okay. The first you go to, sorry, you you have to you need three webs. Okay, the first is uh, teachable machine. Teachable machine. So teachable machine is like you uh, like AI, ya. AI, you make AI with your camera. Okay, example like this. Here there is class 1, class 2, you can also add. So later in this class we will change this become, example is maju or forward. Later we'll also mundur like this. We'll go to right. So you make uh, you later in tiny bit when tiny bit you have to control, make tiny bit can move to the move, run, go to forward, or go to back, or retreat, or and spin right, or go to and turn right and left, and also horn and stop. Okay, after later in this teachable machine we will make the AI, the gesture. And the second webs that you need is teachable microbit. Teachable microbit start. Teachable microbit. Nah, like this, like the URL you can search. It's this is for you later control the tiny bit with your hands. After you already make the after you already make the gesture, later you will get, after you export model you will have a link. Later the link you put here. Okay, so later will connect. Okay, after that the last one and the most important is make code .org. This is the web that we use for make the code, make a code for this tiny bit. Okay, uh, because I this record, and but and I cannot record to give example to you, I just use my project that I already make, but you later can follow lah. You can just follow. Okay, like this. If you already record with webcam, later you use your hand. You setting with your hand up to you the gesture you want, like what you want, like this. But if can don't, yeah, don't with uh, bad 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 shape lah, okay. Example like this, when I come forward with when come forward letter the robot, I must like this, my finger. Later if I like this, the tiny bit will go to forward. If I select this, okay, now you can see, if I like this, the robot will go to right. If I like this, go to left, okay, and stop. That's an example that the real my real project is not, my real gesture is not like this actually. Later I will give in last video lah, in last. Okay. Later if you already make the, you already setting your gesture with your hand until the main point is you have to come forward, read, go to right, go to left, stop, and don't forget the last is on this, okay. This you have to make a 6 AI. After that, later you go to train model and then export your model. This maybe you will need a long time to export because you, and also yeah, the image must you have to add many image for make the AI more easy to detect our hands, okay. So if like me until 500 more, okay. Later if you already turn model and export model, you will get the link like me like this. I will open in my notepad, and my link is this, database distributed machine with Google, nah like this. Later you control C, and then after control C you put on teachable robot list, teachable cardboard of robot, teachable microbit. You click and you put like this, okay. Then wait loading. While we waiting for loading, I will wait so long. Maybe I will do two ways. Or oh iya, because I'm record, so the the camera cannot later. If can, because I while record this, the camera cannot show. But uh, if later, if the loading already, you will turn on your camera in here. There is this camera, and later you can use your gesture for, and there is detected maybe the gesture you go to right, go to left, go to right, or front, like that. Okay, after I already give to you, I explain to you how, what is teachable machine, teachable bit, and before, and now it's time for make a code, to make a code. Okay, before that maybe I will prepare first for the code. You can see later. Okay, just stay tuned in my video. Okay guys, so now we will continue to make a coding, to coding the program, to this program in MacCode. Okay, just I will make it fast. First is you make a new project. The first is you open this web, https microcode.org. After that you go to new project, and then you can give the name hand gest hand gesture hand gesture like this, okay. After that, if you already go to this place, you change the blocks, because we will not use block code, but we will use Python. Nah, this coding, the real coding. After that, uh, before you make a code, you have to need some feature, yeah. The first is you go to extension, then you enter URL. The first is this one. Wait guys, the first is you can follow the link. This the link https yahoo methodology. So this is for TinyBit. Later the TinyBit we will get new coding, new code for move the TinyBit. Okay, that's the first extension. The second extension is Bluetooth. You just search blue like this, and you add this one, Bluetooth service hub. Revision and Bluetooth. Okay, if done, next is you go to setting and project setting. You change the settings from just work pairing default blah 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 to become no pairing required. Anyone can connect via Bluetooth. Sip. After that, you go to edit setting as a text, and you go to this open one. This you enter, and you uh wait. Sorry. And add you add like this. Just follow ya. Pairing. Wait, it's so hard. Pairing mode like this ya. Pairing mode here is and 0. Nah, actually I already make the project ya, so I just break this my project. Jadi I just for pairing mode. Okay, for already you just go to Python again, and we will start the code to make the code here. The first you just erase first all this. Wait, I will like add friction with my headset. After that, you sorry. But first you just follow my uh this apa dia dev on Bluetooth dev dev on Bluetooth sorry guys, sorry. Dev on Bluetooth connected. This this pass you just erase and you change become basic show show icon. Nah, become yes. So later if the Bluetooth already connect with TinyBit, later the TinyBit will show icon yes or checklist. It means the Bluetooth already connect. And next one is you just make it same, you just copy. And but the difference is you change the connect become disconnect. This is for make it sign for make a sign. It means the Bluetooth is not connect. So we know when Bluetooth connect and when Bluetooth not connect. Okay, that's only for Bluetooth. And next is for uh, move for make moving the time bit. The first is def wait, I will forget on forward data retrieve. So when the Bluetooth already connect with the data already connect with Bluetooth, later you just this note it first. Okay, like this. You make global global input Bluetooth. Oke, global.
Ini kalau anda coba itu coba rekor tambahan aja itu berhentinya dari mana?
Bluetooth.
Record lagi tapi jangan dari awal. Dilanjutin ngerti nggak?
Sorry.
Bentar dulu.
Speed.
Ini kan berhentinya di mana tadi?
Like this. Okay. Next, you add input Bluetooth. Okay. So if when the Bluetooth connect, this the Bluetooth will connect to also with this teachable microbit. So with this order we can move the tiny bit with our gesture, with our hand gesture like that. Okay. So this is the first we only connecting. We make order for connecting the teachable microbit to microbit to tiny bit robot. Okay. Yes, follow again. Bluetooth. This. Wait. And Bluetooth word again.
I haven't opened this app since years.
Bluetooth word. Sorry. Bluetooth
Uno momento, please.
word. Bluetooth word. Bluetooth word read until word. What read until serial delimiters new line. Okay, just like this. That until serial delimiters new line. Okay, this not need actually, just erase. Now if I like this later, if we use our gesture in table mix orbit, the it means it already connect. If the Bluetooth already connect to, yeah, so we can move our hands in teachable machine. After that, we'll make a condition, yeah. We'll make an order for move the tiny bit. First is if input Bluetooth. If input Bluetooth, if input Bluetooth, example kanan, ya, kanan, or right, spin right, spin right, spin right. You use tiny bit car CCR speed like this. Because this is go to right, you change this run to spin right. Nah, this you just copy again. You just copy again this. Nah, Control Z. Nah, to change, this is first condition, ya. If the Bluetooth we use our hands gesture to spin right, later the tiny bit will go to right. And the next after spin right is you change for this to alif, ya. Why not if? Because the first condition is alif. Is if you cannot use if in the second condition, third condition cannot. You can change to alif. The next is maybe is kiri or left. Later the table speed is you change to spin. Not not turn left, but spin left. Okay, like this. We just this again. Wait. This. Nah, next the second elif. Sorry. Is maybe this come forward or maju. Maju like this. The car speed is car run like this. Then this first, later we will make a variable speed, so we change this 0. This is the how much the speed, the tiny bit later. We can setting the speed. If we make a variable, okay, with this big, this also speed. Now here we can add something I think before, okay, speed, speed, new speed, eh
Settingnya coba
Bisa.
okay, like this.
waktu Bluetooth control bisa video ulang.
Okay, like this to code current speed, new speed.
Apa masalahnya?
After that, wait, why this error? Why this error?
Kompleks.
Okay, just a second. Then we can this again, Control C, just
Yang paling atas. Hamzah udah.
like this. Okay. Now this the fourth one is mundur or backyard. This you can just from run to back.
Dibantu tidak ada.
Okay, now like this. Because this we shall not make a variable, so still error again. After that you copy again, and this we will add the music or horn. We change this to become horn, and you change this, and we will make the horn. The horn is, wow, the code is so hard. So we will add music actually, music. Musik boleh buat efek nah guys. Giggle. Sorry, musik play first. Musik play. Like this. Okay. After that, if music giggle, music will play until done. Wait. I think there's something wrong. This.
Sebentar.
Like this. Music play back, and so it means the music will play until play back mode until then. It means the music will always there is until the tiny bit, until we stop use the horn. Yes. Okay, wait. We add this. Yeah, like this. And the last one is this input Bluetooth stop or stop. It's the last condition when the tiny bit stop. Just copy first. Just copy this, and then change the back become stop. Okay, you already. And now after we already make the code for move the tiny bit, we will add again Bluetooth convert data again. Bluetooth on what data retrieve. I'm sorry. Bluetooth like this, but the position wrong. Like this. Okay.
15 menit lagi, silakan.
Data retrieve. New line on data.
Gimana coba lihat ya sebelum sini lagi, lihat gambarnya kayak gimana aja.
This is in edition.
Tanya sama Kiana aja yang kan.
Okay.
Udah, habis itu udah.
Okay, so the code already done. I mean this data retrieve is when the data already connected. They are like this. And
15 minutes.
the last one is we make a variable. The first is speed in 18. Okay. Speed is 0. Next is the next is input Bluetooth. Then input Bluetooth is that will go to speed again in I mean new speed 0. That we make get Bluetooth word service again. Bluetooth start again. Word service. Then new speed again. New speed 0. New speed 80. So the tiny bit the speed is 80. So later this can new speed. Nah, in here before that I add speed and new speed, that it means the movement is 80 because the variable is 80. Then last one we just again Bluetooth start plus okay. Okay guys, so maybe only this the code that I already give to you, the already explain also. So the first is it means the Bluetooth connect. If the Bluetooth connect with already connect with any bit, the tiny bit will show icon yes or checklist. If not connect or disconnect, the tiny bit will show icon no or what is how to say. Nah, and next for code for movement, for make a movement tiny bit, go to right, go to left, forward, back, horn and stop. Then the speed the speed is 80. Okay guys, maybe only this the code, and after this I will show the demo video demo for my tiny bit. Okay, I will cut first guys. Okay guys, before I already after a long time I already explained about hand gesture, what is a gesture, and how to make a code, and what the website that we need for make this project. And now I will give you a demo project Okay. Okay, so here you can see the Tenable microbit. This letter, if you already get, just put like what I already said before, and for we move the tiny bit. Okay, as you can see this here, the description is kiri or kanan. Nah, if like me kan, when I like this. With like this, the tiny bit will forward. You can see will go to forward. Okay, and if I like this, will retreat. If like this, will spin right. Like this, will spin left. That down or horn. And if I didn't do anything, will stop. Okay, maybe and that's all for from my project, my hand gesture project. I'm sorry if maybe I explain or do make mistake in this project.